Okay, guys, so thank you so much for joining me for this video series. Again, this has been a 3-4 part video series on how to use CrewFire as a new brand. And we covered how to build a team, how to mobilize that team to help grow your business in exchange for points, how to make those points valuable through the reward system, and then how to track the progress and the effectiveness of those campaigns through the campaign reports. So I hope this whole thing has been informative and helpful. And if you have any lingering questions, as I've said before in the series, I am more than happy to help. I'm here to serve. So if you have any questions, shoot us an email. That's the best way to get a hold of us. You can email us at support@crewfire.com. And we'll answer your questions there. If it's a question that's broadly applicable and that many other people have, then what I'll probably do is even make another video about it and send you the video. And so that's basically CrewFire in a nutshell. As of now, June 2020, we've just been making a tremendous amount of updates throughout the platform. So it's constantly evolving now. We're making it more and more powerful. We've added 2 new campaign types in the last 2 or 3 weeks alone, and we have more to come. We have some really powerful new features that is going to make this product really, I think, unique in the entire market. And we're excited to have you on board. So feel free to reach out. If you're not a customer yet and you want to learn more, schedule a demo call, feel free to do so. You can do that at crewfire.com/request. And you can enter your information there and then pick a time on my calendar and we can connect one-on-one and just have a great conversation. So thank you so much for watching. I've been having such a good time building this platform and talking with all the customers and creating this content to help you guys grow your businesses and grow your brands. And so I'm looking forward to connecting with you and seeing you on the inside there as well. So thank you so much. Take care.